Okay, this is for getting the switch tech lock to fit inside the best ball knob. The reason why it won't lock in now is because the inner chamber sits up too high, not allowing the throw member to lock itself in place. Tried several items. I tried a ball, didn't quite take off enough. I tried cylindrical, still didn't take off enough. But what seemed to work the best is a 3/4 inch flat rotary stone. Once it's inside and you've cleared everything, you can shave down just a hair. Doesn't take much. Once that's down, everything's cleared out. The switch tech can easily go in and then lock into place. It's now locked into place. Once you remove it, the original core will fit in properly, and you can remove it, and it's back to being a fully functional keyed core.